Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Connexio Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I would be conducting today's show. Today, we would be discussing regarding the trends, the setup, the technical indicators, the technical patterns on indices, as well as the different asset classes. Last week, we have discussed that Nifty has been moving into a very broad range in the past couple of months, and it has been hovering into that particular band. Multiple times it visited the upper resistance area 4 to 5 times, and from there it was knocked down sharply. But this time, uh, we were expecting some sort of profit booking at the higher levels, but that didn't happen as per our expectation. Nifty witnessed the rally and broke out and just sustained above its lifetime high. So that is a clear breakout on the daily charts, though the view was not as our expected lines. But yes, after multiple attempts, maybe after 4 to 5 attempts, Nifty has managed to break out above its lifetime high. On the contrary, if we see on the Bank Nifty, is still there is some more room upside left to see a upside lifetime high breakout, where Nifty has broken out or Nifty is at its lifetime high, whereas Bank Nifty has failed to do so. So definitely, it is going to be a very challenging days for the coming weeks from these levels. Now let us discuss the index analysis. On Nifty daily charts, what we have seen that you will see on the screen, Nifty has been, as we have discussed, from May or mid of the February, Nifty has been hovering into that particular band, and after multiple attempts, it has managed to break out above its lifetime high. But looking at the daily charts, last three candles are not decisive, though it has given a breakout. But the candles were just like a doji or an indecisive candle. Uh, so we need to wait for some days that whether this breakout is witnessing a follow-up buying and Nifty is heading towards uh, the upside target. Definitely, it has given a breakout. RSI is also into a comfort zone. So we have to wait because in the last couple of weeks, at least if we see last 2 3 weeks, Nifty has rallied sharply from the lows of almost if we see 14,700, 14,800 mark till the yesterday's close, which is around 15,435. So we might see some sort of pullback or profit booking, and then again we might see an upside rally from the current levels. So definitely the setup is positive, but at these levels we need to wait for some sort of pullback and then enter at the lower levels for going long in the Nifty. Now let us discuss the support and resistance for the Nifty for the next week. The important support in the Nifty for the next week is placed at 15,337. Then next support is at 15,256, and the last support, I mean to say the third support, important support is at 14,985. Whereas the upside resistance is placed at 15,589. Above that, the next resistance is at 15,744, and the third resistance is at 15,901. So these are the important support and resistance level. Now looking at this daily pattern, it has given a rectangular breakout. So the upside target would be the equidistance of this particular height. So we will discuss in the future shows. But as of now, breakout. Uh, we have seen a breakout. Any pullback in Nifty should be used to go long with strict stop loss at the lower levels. Now let us discuss Bank Nifty. On the Bank Nifty, on the daily charts, Bank Nifty has shown formation of an upward rising wedge pattern. Though, as we discussed, that Bank Nifty has failed to see a lifetime high breakout, but once it closes above this upward resistance trend line, you can see on the daily charts, then again Bank Nifty might rally from the current levels and start inching towards its lifetime high from the current levels. Maybe it will take some another 2 3 weeks to reach those particular level, but definitely any pullback in Bank Nifty also should be used to uh, go long at the lower levels. But definitely one needs to wait for a pullback and then enter at the lower levels. Now let us discuss the important support and resistance in the Bank Nifty. The important support in the Bank Nifty are placed at 34,400, below that 33,985, and below that the next support is at 33,394. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed at 35,544. Above that, the next resistance is at 35,950, and third resistance is at 36,549. So most probably these are the support and resistance level that traders need to watch out closely and trade accordingly in the direction of the primary trend of the markets. Now let us come to the third segment of the show, which is index option analysis. In index option analysis, we will discuss where there is building up of the open interest into calls and puts in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and rising the open interest to particular strike price. So let us discuss in Nifty. In Nifty, the strong open interest was built up in the out of the money calls were seen at 15,500 calls. You can see on the screen that 15,600 calls and 15,800 calls. You can clearly see on the screen that there has been rise in open interest. There is a slight rise in the change into the percentage change of the option premium prices, which clearly indicates that Nifty is also poised for an upside rally from the current levels. But one needs to wait for some pullback and then enter at the lower levels. Now in Nifty puts, the strong open interest built up was seen in 15,400 puts, then 15,300 puts, and then 15,100 puts. You can clearly see on the screen that a rise in an open interest in these out of the money puts, 15,400 puts, 15,300 puts, and 15,100 puts. Whereas there has been a change in the option premium. I mean to say the correction in the option premium, which clearly indicates that there has been a strong writing seen in the Nifty puts, maybe 15,100 or 15,300 and 15,000. These are the area where there has been a strong open interest built up, and also writing of the puts. So this clearly indicates that for at least for the next week, 15,100 could act as a strong support in the Nifty for the next 5 days. Now let us discuss option analysis in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, the strong open interest built up was seen in 35,500 calls. You can clearly see on the screen. Then 36,000 calls, then 36,500 calls. But on the contrary, what we have seen that there has been a drop in the premium, or the percentage change in the premium on the downside. And as we have discussed that in Nifty, we have seen a breakout above lifetime high, whereas Bank Nifty has failed to do so. So looking at this option analysis, there has been a writing seen in the out of the money calls. Specifically, I would like to highlight 36,000 and 36,500. So Bank Nifty might slowly and gradually inch towards the upward resistance, because there has been writing in the out of the money calls. So this could act as a barrier. I mean to say 35,500 would be the first barrier. Above that 36,000, and above that 36,500. Now let us discuss Bank Nifty put. In Bank Nifty put, the strong open interest was seen. Open interest built up was seen in 34,500 puts. You can clearly see on the screen. Then 34,000 puts and 33,500 puts. Again in percentage change, you can clearly see there has been a drop in the premium of the puts. So looking at the calls, option analysis of Bank Nifty calls and Bank Nifty put, I feel that Bank Nifty might trade in a broad range for the next week, whereas 36,000 would act as a strong resistance and 34,000 would act as a strong support. So this is a particular band in which Bank Nifty would trade for the next week. So wait for some pullback, I mean to say for some correction, and then try to enter long at the lower levels in Bank Nifty also. But as I said that it would be a challenging task for the indices to see a follow-up buying from the current levels. So it is going to be a highly crucial week for the next week. But looking at the trend setup, the charts, one should wait for some pullback in Nifty and Bank Nifty and then try to enter at the lower levels. Now let us come to the final segment of the today's show, which is positional call. I've identified one stock from auto sector. Stock is looking good. The name of the stock is Hero MotoCorp. I'm going to say Hero Motors. The stock has been forming a rounding bottom formation. You can clearly see on the screen. The last 1.5, 2 months, the stock has been making a base into formation of rounding bottom. It has given you a breakout and it has just closed near those particular breakout points. So the stock current market price of the stock is 2991. So long-term investors as well as positional traders or swing traders can accumulate the stock from the current level, which is 2991. Even if there is a correction till 2950, 2960, one can accumulate in this particular band from 2990 to 2960. One can accumulate for long-term investment. Upside target for the stock is 3420 for next at least maybe for the next couple of months, maybe 3 to 4 months. RSI is also into a comfort zone. The stock is making a rounding bottom on the daily charts. So the stock is poised for an upside rally from the current level. Hence, investors, traders can accumulate in the range of 2990 to 2960 to 2950 for an upside target of 3420 for at least an investment perspective of 3 to 4 months. The stock is looking good. This can be added into a trading portfolio for short-term investment also. So let us conclude the show. Thank you very much for watching the show. Any suggestion you can give into the comment box. So I would like to thank you very much for watching the show and have a nice trading day. Thank you.